Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. Today we are going to look at Creative Score, a tool designed to help you to make better marketing materials very easily. If you are someone who works on social media posts, ads, email, or any kind of marketing content, this video is for you. I will show you how Creative Score works, why it is useful, and also how you can get it for a lower price with a lifetime deal through AppSumo. So stick with me until the video is end. So let's start with the basic thing. Creative Score is a tool that helps you to improve your marketing visuals and copy by giving your feedback. And the idea is very simple. Instead of guessing what works best, you can get insight directly from the tool. For example, you can upload your ad, email, or social media post, and Creative Score will tell you what is strong, what can be improved, and how it can perform better. So this is very helpful because marketing is all about getting results and small changes that can make a big difference. Now in this time, Creative Score has added many updates. Now it has the AI powered suggestions, better template, and a user friendly dashboard. So you just put it in your text and Creative Score will analyze it, giving you a score for clarity, engagement, and call to action. This saves a lot of time because before you might have had to test everything manually. Another great feature is the marketing asset library. You can find template, stock images, and idea inside Creative Score. So you can use them to make quickly ads and posts and banners. You don't need to be a designer. Even if you are new, this tool guide you to step by step, and because it is cloud based, you can access your work anywhere, which is very powerful if you work in different places. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. The pros are clear. It improves your marketing performance, saves time, and give you the AI suggestion. It is beginner friendly and keeps all your asset in one place. The only con is that the extremely advanced marketing expert. It may not have every single deep customization option, but for most users, Creative Score is more than enough. And of course, pricing is very important. Normally, Creative Score has a subscription plan. If you pay monthly or yearly, the cost can add up, but here is where AppSumo comes in. So right now, you can get a lifetime deal on Creative Score through the AppSumo. That means one-time payment and you can use it for forever. So no monthly fees. This is much better for anyone who wants to make marketing asset regularly and save money. So Creative Score in this time is a great tool for marketers, small business owners, and content creators who want better performing asset quickly. And it has the AI suggestions and template and easy to use feature. So if you want to use this tool for long term, using the AppSumo deal is the smartest choice because you pay once and you can use it forever. So check the description below. The special link for AppSumo will be there, and just grab it for your lifetime deal before it ends. So it's really worth it if you want to create better marketing asset without wasting time. So that's it for Creative Score, and if you found this video helpful, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.